Hello! Today we're going to learn about the basics of the lighting boards in the drama studios. From simple things like turning on a single light, to grouping them together to a sub, linking them like that, to how to turn it on and off, and some simple basic lighting types. Turning on the machine properly is very important, as is turning it off. If you turn it on properly, you should have no problems, and if you turn it off properly, the next person using it should have no trouble when they turn it on. So here is the lighting desk, the ETC Element lighting desk. In each drama studio and in the hall, we have the same one. When we wish to power on the lighting desk, we first have to make sure the black box on the left-hand side is switched on here. This allows the lighting desk to communicate with the lighting board control panel in a different room. Next, we push the power button on the lighting desk and we wait for it to start up, just like a normal computer. This area of the lighting board you should not be touching. All you need to know is that you should select the live function here on this button, and it should always be there when you're performing. At the top and back of the lighting desk we have the controls to control our gooseneck lamp. Just here there is a little knob. We can change the brightness from 0 to 100 so we can see what we are doing during a performance. The gooseneck should be put back in this position after use. A single channel controls a single light. It can be a floodlight or a spotlight, or one with a different pattern inside called a Gobo. This is a single channel. It starts at 0 and goes up to 100. 0 represents no light, 100 represents full intensity. It is a good idea to look at the different range of brightness of the light on somebody's face or the environment you're trying to light. There is one other type of channel. It is called a Submaster channel. A Submaster channel can combine other single channels into one fader. To assign a Submaster, first we must select the channels we wish to assign. As we set the different light levels from 100 to 50 or 25 and so on, this is the ratio or the assignment the lights will have together on the new Submaster we make. First we set the levels as we wish, then we turn to Submaster, count the channel. In this case we're going to use channel 36 here. Then we select record sub 36. Then we hit enter, and to overwrite the previous assignment we must hit enter once more. Then we need to turn back to the original channels we used. We need to take them down to 0, go back to our Submaster settings and check that our assignment has worked. All of the single channels together are controlled by the Grandmaster. The Grandmaster is the master fade for all of the lights in the studio. The quickest way to turn off all the lights in the studio is with the switch that's called blackout. This section of the board is the master section, or GM for Grandmaster. The power button is here. The blackout button, which kills all the lights, is here. And the Grandmaster is the overall control level for everything on the board, from single channels to Submasters. As we bring it down, all the lights will go to black. As we bring it up, in whatever new settings we have set, will come up full intensity. Powering down the lighting desk is very straightforward. First of all, we must make sure that all of our faders are turned down, and our Grandmaster is either down completely, which leads to blackout, or we have hit blackout and then brought the fader down. Then we push the power button once, and on the screen we will see, do you really want to power down your device? We can use the mouse to click OK, or we can click the power button once more and it will start to power down the lighting desk. We must wait for it to power down completely, and when that completes, we will cover the desk with our cover. Goodbye!